In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment against an invoice in Xero. If you've already received money from a customer and now need to update the invoice so your records stay accurate, this is a quick and important task to know. Recording payments correctly helps keep your accounts up to date, makes bank reconciliation easier, and ensures the invoice shows the right balance. To begin, sign into your Xero account. Once you're in, head to the sales area and open the invoice you want to mark as paid. Make sure you've selected the correct invoice before moving forward, especially if you have several invoices for the same customer or similar amounts. After opening the invoice, scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you find the Record Payment section. This is where you'll enter the details of the money you've received. Taking a moment here to check the invoice total and remaining balance can help avoid errors. Next, enter the payment date. This should be the actual date the payment was received, not just the day you're entering it into Xero. Using the correct date is important because it affects your reporting and helps maintain a clear timeline of transactions. After that, choose the account where the payment was deposited. In most cases, this will be the bank account that received the funds. Be sure to select the right account so the payment is connected properly in your records and can be matched during reconciliation. Now type the amount received into the Amount Paid field. If the customer paid the full invoice, enter the full amount. If they only made a partial payment, enter just the amount you received. Xero will automatically update the remaining balance on the invoice. You'll also see an option to add a reference. This step is optional, but it can be very useful. For example, you might enter a transaction note or another identifying detail that helps you recognize the payment later. Keeping references clear can save time when reviewing records in the future. Once everything looks correct, click Record Payment. Xero will apply that payment to the invoice and update the invoice record immediately. Finally, verify the invoice status. Check that the balance has been updated and that the invoice is now marked as paid or partially paid, depending on the amount entered. This final review is a good habit because it confirms the payment was recorded successfully and that your account's receivable information is accurate. Thanks for watching.